This 2024 CrossRoads Hampton HP378DBB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.